Hello guys, ayan. Tingnan nyo tong pot na to. Ano siya, hanging pot siya oh. Pero nasira na yung tali niya. So gusto ko siyang gamitin. Okay? So magtatanim tayo dyan. Ayan. So ito ang ating soil. Ayan natin. Kita ba? Kulang pa. Kuha tayong soil. Naririnig yung ba yung huni ng ibon? Sarap pakinggan, ano guys? It's 10 o'clock here in US. And it's Monday. It's my gardening day. So, ayan. So, ayan na ang ating pot with soil. Okay? Medyo hirap ang aking ano ngayon. Hindi siya per. And ang itatanim ko dyan is, guess what? It's aloe vera. Yan. So, lagyan natin ng space for aloe. Kinat ko to guys sa aking garden. Yan. Ganun. Pak, ganun. O, diba ang ganda? So, kulang to sa tubig. If you see, ito ang sinisay ko. Cactus is one of the, family yan ng succulent. So, nakita nyo yung dahon niya. Ano siya, manipis. Yan. So, sinasabi niyan, uhaw na siya. Siya ay uhaw. Pero, okay lang. Indoor ko siya. Yan. Lalagyan ko ng tubig. At hindi pa tapos yan, guys. Lalagyan ko siya ng rocks. Okay? Toppings niya. Wait lang. Okay? Okay, guys. So, ayan. Kumuha ako ng rocks. Ito ang mga bato na ilalagay natin sa kanya. It's parang mini, river rocks. Yan. So, yan po. Tingnan nyo ang aloe vera na yan. Oh. Napaka, niya, parang anipis. Dapat mataba yan. Right? So, pag ganyan po ang aloe vera nyo, it needs water. Yan. Family ko ito ng cactus. So, ng cactus, succulent. So, ang kanilang way para sabihin sa inyong I need water is through their leaves. Yan. So, if it's like that, yung thin leaves, it means they need water. Okay? It's telling you, I'm thirsty. Ayan. O, diba? So, it's time to water them. So, succulents are like that. They are drought tolerant, but through their leaves, they tell you, I need water na when it's really thin. Yeah. So, I will water it after this. Ayan, guys. Did you like it? Ayan. Ayan na ang ating toppings. This will stay in the house, inside the house. Because I want plants inside the house. Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, what do you think? Maganda ba? So, yan ay aloe vera. See? Yan. Lalagyan na natin ng tubig. Okay. Yun lang guys. So, water them when their leaves are really thin. It's telling you I'm thirsty. Yeah. So, have a blessed day guys. God bless everyone. Bye.